Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome back to another episode with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Hope you are all good. Today we have another awesome video for you with another awesome knife. It's quite hot out here. I had to record this video once again because the phone actually overheated and cut my video short. So I'm going to try not to make this one too long. But before we start, subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to comment right at the end and tell me what you thought about this knife. And most importantly, don't forget to visit our web store. The link will be in the description here. In this video at the bottom, you can find affordable switchblades there. OTF switchblades, stiletto, swing guards, Chris, bayonet, stag, Damascus. There's some awesome 9-inch stiletto switchblades going for $45 each. Only $45. 20 shipping to the USA. Get something in time for Christmas, get your gifts, happy shopping. Nevertheless, let's get on with the video. So today we have another beautiful knife over here. You guessed it, another Frank Beltrame 28cm stiletto switchblade in which looks like a bone, like the swing guard, but this is actually honey-horn. Crisp blade, brass liners. I got this crisp blade this year actually. Very beautiful knife. Very beautiful for the collection. You know I love my crisp blades. Yeah. So let's get on before this phone overheats again. Let's fire this one up, safety down. Oh yeah. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Beautiful Chris over here in honey-horn. Look at that horn. Nice and creamy with the brass liners. Thick spring there. Nice thick back spring. Just beautiful. Got that 60s swirl horn flare there. Frankie B was keeping this one nice and 60s looking. Frank B right there, as you can see. Beautiful Stiletto. Let's take a nice look at it. Nice solid piece. This one is just beautiful. I bought 2 of these, sold one to another customer. Kept this one for myself. Couldn't part with it. Didn't want to. One was for me, definitely. Fire is so hard. This one, ooh. Just another beautiful piece. Frank Beltrame, Frank B, Italy. Yeah, man. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like the video, share, and most importantly visit our website. Go browse around there, buy some affordable switchblades. We got watches as well. Switchblades EDC is where it's pumping. Get you some cool switchblades on there before Christmas. Like I said, cool 9 inches. Assortment of different handles going for 45 each. We got 13 inches also, I think 65. 20 shipping to the US all day. Don't miss out. Try and get a nice zoom in on this one. There we go. Just a beautiful piece as well. Frankie B once again. Yeah, I have a lot of them, a lot of Frank Beltrames, as you can tell. And you know I love my crisp blades. Switchblade Wade loves his crisp blades. There we go. Beautiful knife. Beautiful horn. just shining in the sunlight over here. So thank you for joining us once again with another beautiful Italian stiletto here. Hope this phone's not going to overheat and cut my video off again, but before it does, we're gonna have to say goodbye to you guys and girls now. Like, subscribe, comment on the video, tell me what you thought about this, and don't forget to visit our website, get some switchblades, swing guards, watches. Yeah man, check out the website. Cool website, we have lots of stuff there. You can get gifts for Christmas there. Beautiful, beautiful specimen over here. Turn it around. I love the back. Oh, just look at that. Beautiful Chris. Just beautiful. One more fire and then we're gonna cool it. Zoom is trying to get the zoom right here. Alright my flicky friends, keep safe out there, and I'll see you next time with another awesome video. Frank Beltrame once again, 28 centimeter or 11-inch crisp blade, Stiletto Switchblade. See you next time. Peace out.